Okay, now for the solutions to the Faraday's law questions. So the first question is a fairly simple Faraday's law question in which we go from electrical information and turn that into chemistry information. So current and time is what we're given. So first of all, we will work out Q equals I times T, time in seconds, so we get the number of coulombs. Then we use Faraday's constant. So we're using the formula number of moles of electrons equals Q on F. So Q is 268.2, F is 96,500, and that gives us the number of moles of electrons. Next step is to look at mole ratios. Well, it's a nice easy 1-to-1 mole ratio, so the number of moles is going to be the same, number of moles of silver is going to be the same, so then we just use the mass formula to work out the mass of silver. Next question involves going the other way. This time we're given chemistry information, we're given a mass of metal, we're after electricity information, i.e. what current is required. So we've got to calculate I. I equals Q on T. So I equals Q on T is going to be our final calculation. To work out Q, of course, we'll need the number of moles of electrons, and we get that from the number of moles of gold. So that's basically the steps that we do. Mass to moles of gold to moles of electrons to coulombs, and then divided by the time to get the current. So mass divided by the molar mass to give us moles of gold. It's Au3 plus, so we know it's going to be 3 moles of electrons that are required. If ever you're a little bit worried about getting that mole ratio right, write the half equation. Au3 plus 3E gives you Au. We want electrons. We've got gold. What I've got is 3/1. Once we got that, divide it by 96,500, sorry, multiply it by 96,500 to get to coulombs, and then I equals Q divided by T gets us the current.